Okay, Jonas, we're going to take all these parts here and get them ready. We're going to load them up into the trailer today, and I'm going to take them and get them media blasted. So what we need to do is take all the parts off of these, like these lights, these brackets, everything that bolts on. Take all that stuff off, and then we'll load them up and get them media blasted. These, you want to make sure you're really careful with these. Remember, these are brittle.
Oh yeah, because of the brackets here.
Yeah, these brackets right here.
Yeah.
Make sure you're real careful, because those will break right off easy. Okay. Take the hood scoop off. We'll take, as I said, everything that bolts on. Then the trunk deck lid here.
Rubber seal.
Take the rubber seal off. The doors, we'll take the rubber seals off. Take the mirrors off. Anything that is attached, we'll remove it. Okay? Okay. And we'll start loading them into the trailer.
That'll work.
I think I'm going to take all these parts and get them media blasted first, and then bring them back and epoxy them, and then we'll take the body next week, because if you get everything stripped down, you have to get it all epoxied at the same time. It takes a long time, a lot of work, and if you're not helping me every day, I can at least get some of this stuff coated. So all right. Okay, Jonas, we'll load all this stuff in that box, okay? But what we want to do, we want to count all the pieces. Everything here is going to get media blasted. And doing a quick video so we have the inventory of what we dropped off. So when you load that up, let's count the total pieces that we put in there, okay? Okay. So these parts right here are for that car, KK 1410. Then the rest of this is off of Mark's car. There's one more piece back here. This one right here. That's for the 1410 as well. So there's two. There's one there and one over there. Okay, let's go ahead and load everything in the box and put her in the trailer. Okay, Jonas, we want to take these brakes apart. We're going to take this whole rear end apart, the pickle out, and we'll have this all media blasted as well. So you want to take these springs off, just disassemble everything here, and then we'll take these four bolts out here, or these nuts off, and that'll pull the axle out. I'll do the other side, you do this side. Pull the axle out, and then we can take that third member out. Okay? So you got springs here, you push them down, turn them. You got that one off, okay? And then pull these springs apart and keep all those pieces. Okay, we got her done. There's the third member. It's pulled out. We'll take that and get it detailed, rebuilt and detailed out. There's the housing cleaned up, and we'll take that and get it media blasted and paint it. What do you think?
Whatever you say. I'm here to do whatever you want.
Whatever I want, huh? Okay. Let's load her up. Okay, Jonas and I got everything loaded, and he just left. So you can see all the body parts are laying in here. There's 22 pieces, loose pieces here. Got the rear end housing, and there's 54 pieces in that box. a lot of little suspension parts and just a lot of miscellaneous parts there. So I'm going to drop all this stuff off Monday, get her stripped, and hopefully I'll have it back by Thursday, or I can pick it up on Thursday and then start spraying it on Friday. This will be a job, just getting all these parts epoxied in one day. So that's the plan.